It is question number E. Question number E. If x power a into x power b equals to x power a whole b whole power b, prove that a by b plus b by a equals to ab minus 2. Okay, here let's start from this given condition. Given condition but हामी सुरु गर्छौं this condition. Okay, so then x power a into x power b equals to x power a whole power b. So using product law and power law both together, we get x power a plus b here and here x power ab. So now using the rule of exponential equation, power should be equal, base are same, so power should be equal. A plus b equals to ab. Now what we did here is squaring both sides. We take the square of both sides of here, this statement. Then a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and ab whole square is a square b square. Okay, then what did we do here? We divided both side by ab. We divided both side by ab. यसलाई both side मा ab ले divide गर्यौं. अरु खासै धेरै कुराहरु गरेको छैन. Then cancelling a square लाई a ले काट्यो, a by b बाँकी रह्यो. ab काट्यो, 2 बाँकी रह्यो. b square लाई b ले काट्यो, b by a बाँकी रह्यो. यहाँ a square b square लाई ab ले काट्दा ab बाँकी रह्यो. So taking 2 on next side, taking this 2 on next side or subtracting 2 on both sides, we get a by b, b by a, this is a, b by a equals to ab minus 2. Hence it is proved. Okay. If 3 power x equals to 5 power y equals to 15 power z, prove that 1 by z equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y. Okay, let's see. Let's take the condition, given condition, if part x cube, 3 power x equals 5 power y equals to 15 power z. So from this, let's take first two terms. Let's take these first two terms. यो दुईटा टर्म पहिला लियौ है त. So what happens? Then 3 power x equals to 15. Sorry, I have taken first and last term. Okay, first and last term leave. Then 3 power x equals to 15 power z. 3 power x whole power 1 by x equals to 15 power z whole power 1 by x. यो के गरेको भने taking power 1 by x on both sides. Square root, squaring both sides गर्न पाउँछ, क्यूबिङ both sides गर्न पाउँछ, स्क्वायर रूट लिन पाउँछ, क्यूब रूट लिन पाउँछ भने 1 by x पावर किन लिन नपाउने त हैन. सो यहाँ 1 by x पावर लिदियौ हामीले. 1 by x पावर लिएपछि हेर्नु त, this x and this x will be cut off. x काट्यो, यहाँ बाँकी रह्यो 3 power 1. So 3 power 1 भनेको 3 हो. So 3 equals to 15 power z by x. Letters are a bit smaller, you can see, I think. Okay, z by x. So 3 को भ्यालु निकाल्यौ in terms of, in the power of 15. 15 को पावर मा हामीले 3 को भ्यालु निकाल्यौ. त्यस्तै गरेर अब सेकेन्ड र लास्ट टर्म लिन्छौं. Also 5y equals to 15 power z. Here also we do same. 5 power y whole power 1 by y, 15 power z whole power 1 by y. So यहाँनिर हामीले power 1 by x लिएको छ भने यहाँनिर हामीले power 1 by y लियौ, taking power 1 by y on both sides. Okay, then therefore 5 equals to 15 power z by y. So we express 5 in terms of 15. 15 को फर्म मा हामीले 5 को भ्यालु निकाल्यौ. So now let's take the relation between 5, 3 and 15. Now we know that हामीलाई के थाहा छ, 15 equals to 3 into 5. हामीलाई त्यो थाहा भएको कुरा. So 3 को भ्यालु यहाँबाट लगेर यहाँ राख्ने र 5 को भ्यालु पनि यहाँबाट लगेर यहाँ राख्ने भने we get the result 15 equals to 5 power z by x plus 15 power z by x plus 15 power z by y. So let's simplify once again. Sorry, यो plus हैन, यो into ल. यो plus नभएको यो into चाहिँ हो. Okay, so then 1 equals to base is 15 on both sides, so 1 equals to z by x plus z by y. Okay, so dividing both side by z, यहाँ दुवै साइडमा z ले डिवाइड गर्ने भने 1 डिवाइड by z equals to z डिवाइड by zx हुन्छ, z काटिन्छ, 1 by x बाँकी रह्यो. अनि त्यसपछि z by y डिवाइड by z गर्दाखेरि z by zy हुन्छ, z काट्दाखेरि 1 by y बाँकी रहन्छ. And this proves our question. Okay, you can copy it. Copy right now. Okay, have you copied? Finished copying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Whoever are completed, raise the hand. I'm starting next question. Okay. This is question number I. So here also we start from the given part. X root a equals to y root b equals to z root c. From here we start. Here also 3 terms are given, so we take only 2 terms first. Okay, first 2 terms. In previous question we take the power 1 by x and 1 by y. Here we take power x. यहाँ रुटमा भएको हुनाले रुट हटाउनको लागि यहाँ रुटको अर्डर जति छ त्यति नै पावर रेज गरिदिने. x रुट छ भने टेकिङ पावर x अन बोथ साइड हामीले a को हटाउन पर्यो भने, यदि b को रुट हटाउन मन लाग्छ भने टेकिङ पावर y अन बोथ साइड गर्दा पनि हुन्छ. So here I am intending to remove the root of a को रुट हटाउन खोजिरहेको छु. So x root a whole power x equals to y root b whole power x. So taking power x on both sides, so we get the value of a equals to b power x by y. So similarly, let's take last two terms, that is c power z equals to sorry, z root c equals to y root b. Then here also we are trying to remove the root of c. So taking power z on both sides, c equals to b power z by y. Now let's take the second condition, that is abc equals to 1. Now ABC equals to 1. Now put the value of A from here and B, C from here. Yeah, let's put the value of A and C from here and here. Value of A is given here, we have found over here, and value of C we have found here. So substituting this value on this term, what we get? B power x by y into b into b power z by y. Okay, so then using product law, base b, your power is x by y, your power is 1, and your power is z by y. So b power y by x plus 1 plus z by y equals to 1 is b power 0. So next, so base is same, so power should be equal. Base same bhayo power के भयो equal गर्ने. Then x by y plus 1 plus z by y equals to 0. So taking LCM, x plus y plus z by y equals to 0. So x plus y plus z equals to 0. Hence proved. This is our total proof. So you can copy it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the second last को y चाहिँ कहाँ गयो?
Y into 0 is 0. Cross multiplying y into 0 equals to 0. Clear? Or multiplying both side by y. Multiplying both side by y. Y ले both side by multiply गर्ने हो भने के हुन्छ? Y ले y लाई काट्छ अनि y into 0 equals to 0 हुन्छ. Any way you can understand. जसरी बुझे पनि हुन्छ. डिवाइड गरे भने मल्टिप्लाई क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गरेर 0 भने पनि हुन्छ, हैन भने y ले बोथ साइड मल्टिप्लाई गरे भने हुन्छ. एक्चुअली y ले बोथ साइड मल्टिप्लाई गरे हो. You finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with these questions, with the help of these questions, you can complete the exercise. Okay. So these are the questions which will be helpful for question number 4, and 5 will be left. So if you complete question number up to 4, you can do 5 also. So these are your homeworks. Okay. So I am stopping the sharing. Okay. this much for today. And one thing,